When you're in need of durable, high-quality custom hand sanitizer labels, Lightning Labels has you covered. Lightning Labels works with thousands of businesses to provide professional, full-color custom hand sanitizer labels to make sure vital information and branding are visible. Our durable materials and finishes assure your hand sanitizer labels will stand up to exposure to moisture and constant handling. Our state-of-the-art label printing process ensures graphics are crisp and photo quality. From bright primary colors to earthy tones, vibrant colors on hand sanitizer labels will reflect the professionalism of your brand and grab customers' attention. We have dies in thousands of sizes and various shapes, offer many options for label materials and laminates, minimum quantities as low as 50 labels, and lightning-fast turnaround times. We offer free ground shipping for orders placed online, and every account receives a dedicated account manager for personalized customer service, all with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So, when you're in need of premium custom hand sanitizer labels, look no further than Lightning Labels. Lightning Labels has been servicing the needs of our customers for over 18 years. We are extremely proud of our A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and guarantee your custom label buying experience with us will be a positive one.